Hello student, myself Digant Sakhiwala. I am your science sir. Today we will continue chapter number 5, the periodic classification of element. Dear student, last time we learned about the Daubenier triad. It is limited for the some element and it is not applicable for every element. Same way we learn about the Newland's octaves. In that so many limitations are there. After that the Russian scientist Mendeleev make the table, and that is called the Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev periodic table, in that vertical column are there, they are called group, and the horizontal lines are there, they are called the periods. So one by one we will learn. Periodic classification of element, Mendeleev periodic table. The main credit for the classifying element goes to the Dmitry Mendeleev, a Russian chemist. So main classification, fundamental classification of element, that was done by the Mendeleev. Okay. After that the modern periodic come in the existence. This Mendeleev periodic table is based on the atomic mass, and the latest whatever modern periodic table are there, that is based on the atomic number. Mendeleev arranged the element based on their atomic masses. So Mendeleev arranged all the element according to their atomic masses. Okay, atomic mass means number of proton plus number of neutron, that is called the atomic mass. He observed that when the element arranged in the increasing order of their atomic mass, there was a periodic reoccurrence in the physical and chemical property. So he arranged all the elements according to their atomic mass, increasing atomic mass, like hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, like that he arranged all the elements, and he comes to know that the reoccurrence of their physical and chemical properties. Okay. Thus Mendeleev formulated a periodic law which states that the physical and chemical properties of element are a periodic function of their atomic masses. Okay, so from that he concluded that the physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic masses. Means physical property and chemical properties are totally depend on what? Atomic masses. Okay, group and periods. So this definition of group and period is from the Mendeleev periodic table, and same definition we will use in the modern periodic table. Mendeleev periodic table contains 8 vertical columns called the groups and 6 horizontal rows are called the periods. So Mendeleev periodic table, in that 8 vertical columns are there. Okay, vertical columns are there, they are called groups, and 6 horizontal rows are there, that is called period. Achievements. Mendeleev periodic table was found to be consistent about the chemical and physical properties of the element. Okay, so it found to be correct, consistent for the physical and chemical properties of the element. Mendeleev left some group gaps in his periodic table to acknowledge the existence of some element that had not discovered at that time. Okay, so he also put some gap, he kept some gap between the elements in the group and period, and at that time it was not discovered. For example, scandium, gallium, germanium discovered later have properties similar to the Eka boron, Eka aluminum and Eka silicon respectively. Okay, so for example, like scandium, gallium, germanium discovered later have properties similar to what? Eka boron, Eka aluminum and Eka silicon respectively. Okay, so later on the new element was discovered, it occupied the position of the what place or what space he left in his periodic table. When noble gases like helium, neon and argon were discovered, they could be placed in the new group without disturbing the existing group. Okay, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, these gases are called the noble gas group, or they are called the zero gas group, or okay, they are called the inert gas group. So without disturbing them, without disturbing all the elements, they are kept at the last. Okay. Now dear student, we are going to learn about the drawbacks. Okay, what are the drawbacks? Some elements were not arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses. Okay, some elements are not arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses. We will take example. For example, cobalt and nickel. Even though cobalt has higher atomic mass than nickel, it is placed before nickel in this table. Okay, dear student, in his arrangement cobalt is written first, then the nickel, even though the cobalt atomic mass is more than the nickel. So according to the normal condition, what happen, the nickel should be first and cobalt come later on. Dear student, in exam you have to take lot of care that whenever you write cobalt, in that you have to write capital C and the small o. If you write capital C and capital O, then it is a carbon monoxide. Hydrogen forms compounds similar to group 1 elements. However, it also forms the similar diatomic molecules as group 7 elements like H2, hydrogen H2, F2, Cl2, Br2 and I2. Hence, it could not be assigned a fixed position in the table. So, problem of hydrogen is that hydrogen has similar properties of the first group element as well as it has a similar property of 7 group element. So, what is the exact position of hydrogen? It is not specified in the Mendeleev periodic table. It has a property like fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, halogen group. Okay, so in the Mendeleev periodic table, what is the position of hydrogen, first group or seventh group? It is not properly specified. Isotope posed a challenge to Mendeleev table. For example, chlorine has two major isotopes, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. Okay, hence they can be placed separately in the accordance with their masses being 35 AMU or 37 AMU, or both of them could be placed together owing to their similar chemical properties. Now dear student, we know about the isotope. Isotope means two same element has the atomic number are same but atomic mass are different, they are called the isotope. And isotope has chemical properties are same but physical properties are different because they are having different number of neutrons. Okay, now this Mendeleev periodic table is mostly based on what? Atomic mass. Now isotope, in that the atomic number are same but atomic mass are different, like chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. So they are at a different place according to the Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev periodic table, in that elements are arranged according to their mass. So chlorine 35 has different mass and chlorine 37 has different mass. So they have the different place. Same way, oxygen has three isotopes: oxygen 816, oxygen 817, oxygen 818, or we have carbon 12, carbon 14, or uranium 235, uranium 237, or we have many examples are there, they are isotopes. So according to the Mendeleev periodic table, they will all have the different place in the Mendeleev periodic table, but they have not different place. Okay, so these are the some drawback of Mendeleev periodic table. Dear student, we learn about today about the Mendeleev periodic table. In that some advantages are also there and some disadvantages are also there. Before learning science and maths, you have to do the lot of writing practice, then and then you get the total idea about the science and maths. Okay, today we learn about the group and period also. Okay, so this is all about the today's portion. Thank you so much.